it's good to have a couple of red rags. We call these shop rags in America. You can buy them. You can buy them by the bulk of the brick in any auto parts store here. What I'm going to do now, and I'm going to try and do this, I'm going to have to take the cylinder off, but I can't do it with one hand because these dowlings right here, these stainless steel dowels, are very tight. But like I was saying, this whole motor is experimental, and this cylinder is halfway off. So what I like to look for is any kind of little problems that are telltale signs of like seizing. Those are little tiny seize marks on the back side of the cylinder, but that's not bad. I mean, that's just that happens with normal cylinders, and I'll just use a hone on them. And I also like to, like I said, I like to look for leaks, because this block here is pushed to the limits. And what I can see from down here is that I don't have any leaks on the front, and the back is since the motor is canted towards the back, down in here, and you can see where I've taken the blue, this was a blue base gasket, and I've made it I put some of this gold stuff on top of it, and it's worked great. But like I said, my goal is to take that base gasket off, to clean up the bottom of the cylinder and the top of the crankcase, to take a look at the piston, see if I see any signs of blow-by, which is not good for bad piston rings, and then to carefully rebuild it. Looking at my experimental head gasket from right here and all the way around it, like I said, I'm looking for little tiny, any kind of little tiny places where the gas has come from the combustion chamber right here and has blown outwards into the water chamber for the liquid cooling. And it's held up beautifully. So that's one thing I was really worried about, because if any kind of blow-by, not blow-by, but any kind of combustion chamber leaks were to have happened, I would definitely be able to see it. So I'm really happy about that, because this cylinder, 54 millimeter in diameter cylinder from here all the way over to here, is really powerful. I mean, I don't think I'd ever build another motor this big again. But it was really, fun to see if I could do it. All right, now I'm going to take I'll take the cylinder off and we'll take a better look at everything.